A great way to make money online in 2023 video shows how to earn $1,500 by typing codes. To get started, go to pricerebel.com. This platform allows you to earn online by completing paid online surveys and redeeming your earnings for cash and gift cards from various brands. How Rebel rewards work: sign up for a free account. Earn coins by sign up for a free account and collect points by completing short surveys. With easy efforts, wide range of gift cards rewards available include Google Play cards, Amazon gift cards, Visa gift cards, Roblox game cards, PlayStation gift cards, and many more. Something that is remarkable. This is because Rebel Award has established a partnership with major industry brands, which underlines its legitimacy as countless people are already using the platform. The advantage of this platform is that it has a wide selection of gift cards that you can choose from multiple brands of gift cards, including Amazon and People cards, along with other attractive rewards. Rebel facilitates payments by transferring money directly to your account or redeeming points. This platform is recognized as one of the best ways to make money online right now. Start by navigating to the homepage of the website and creating an account for quick registration using your Facebook or Google credentials, or you can register by providing requested details including your first name and last name and email and password. Before continuing with the video, be sure to subscribe us and press the bell button to stay informed about our tutorials. After you have successfully logged in, you will find yourself in your dashboard. If you are interested in exploring more options and details, here is a sneak peek of what it looks like. The first step to earn free money from PayPal is to go to the Earn section above. Go and select Offer Walls. This will take you to a page where you will discover a wide range of offers, including installing survey programs and more. We are currently on the special offers page. Click on it now for free. Because, of course, we want to earn money from PayPal without spending money. You can choose from the surveys listed here and earn points. For each one you successfully completely, these points can be used to claim free samples, participate in giveaways, be used for thousands of dollars, and share your opinions in any way without any cost. You can also click on contests. If you read the instructions, it will take you here to participate in the paid wall contest. All you have to do is complete the big and get the most points within the contest duration. These offers must be completed carefully. The more information you complete, the better your chances of winning the top prize. Remember, only offers from the offer wall are considered for qualifications. Must be completed within the certain time frame and created the previous top contests has earned a lot of points, mostly from completing surveys and other tasks. If they win this contest, they will receive an additional 2,000 points, which can easily be exchanged for dollars. Your goal is to beat them in the next match and even earn even more by trading them for at least 1,000 points. Scroll down to find options for US survey. Now go back to the top section and select them. This page features daily sweep tasks where you can try your luck to win cash prizes ranging from 10 to 50 gift cards, all for free. Scroll down to view upcoming sweep tasks. There are opportunities to earn absolutely free money. Now let's get into the exceptional way to earn free PayPal funds by creating a passive income strategy. It involves going to the invite section located at the top of the page and then selection earning referrals, which creates this approach. The great things is that it allows you to see your income increase because your referrals earn points. Here's more details breakdown of how this lucrative referral program works. Once you refer someone to this platform using your unique referral link, they become part of your referral network where they engage in various activities and collect points. You as their referrer will receive the benefits of each referral you wish to receive. Earn 15 significant bonuses based on their total earnings. Consider this scenario. If your referrals earn 1,000 points with effort, you will achieve this by having from a generated 150 bonus through our referral program. This passive income stream can significantly increases your income without any extra effort, and you should share it through your network, whether it's with family, friends, or on social media platforms. The more you spread the word, the more potential referrals you can attract with each new referrals. Basically, this referral strategy allows you to leverage the efforts of others in your networks to generate effortless free PayPal money. As your referrals actively engage with the full tasks of a platform and earn points, you will steadily accumulate additional income. So you can see that this is basically a win-win situation that benefits both you and those you refer to these wonderful opportunities. So don't hesitate to search the innovation section. Grab your unique referral link and start this journey to earn money effortlessly through our referral program. Share this opportunity with everyone you know. Watch your PayPal balance grow steadily on autopilot.